here's the deal. I talk way too much in a lot of my intros. I'm gonna spare you that today. All right, I have 2 new bags. I actually bought these a couple of hauls ago, but my hauls were getting too big, so I kind of reserved these for like the next time that I was gonna do one, so that is this video, obviously. Who says that? Look how beautiful these bags are. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a gradient like ombre effect. It's darker here and it gets a little bit lighter. It's not overly obvious, which I really like that because I tend to not like the harshness of some ombres, like from a solid color to like white. I actually love this, that you don't really see a white, it's just like a lighter version of this teal, yes. And then here's a purple. Comment and let me know if there's any other colors that I missed. I really would love to see this in a yellow. And I really like the string. Dollar Tree can be famous for having really cheap string here, or handles, and these are actually pretty nice. I love the colors they chose. It's very complimentary to the bag. So those are all little details that I look for from Dollar Tree. Okay, here's my very first, what do you call it? St. Patrick's Day decor. It is an alligator little clip. You see that here. But you know I'm gonna do some sort of DIY with this. And I picked up this Detox Candle. If you guys would have seen my Dollar Tree shop with me video, I showed this and I bought this as part of that haul, but again, that haul ended up being so big. This was one of those items I was just saving for later. Detox and refreshing. I really love the smell of this one. There was another one, I didn't really prefer the smell, so I just picked up this one. I have a burlap ribbon, nothing fancy, just for possible DIY. And then Bolero came out with a ton of new products. You may have probably seen this floating around. Bolero is not a company that I think is part of... What the heck is going on out there? What the heck? Loxy, hush. Bath salt. What? Bath soak, coconut oil, and sea salt. Sorry, that was the back. Here is the front. Yeah. And then this seems new, body polish, at least the way that they are putting this into a container. It seems new. And again, it's the coconut oil and sea salt, so you can tell it's all the same scent by the design because they do have like a kind of a color coding system. Here's the body oil, but it kind of fell off the packaging, but it's packaged like this. And I love Bolero stuff for my guest bathroom. I think it's really pretty and chic, and it's great for that if you have one. Here is a paper facial mask. And then here are some bath bombs. I just love the packaging on these. I love how cute and small it is. Yeah, it's just really adorable. Oh no. I have some interesting neighbors. Okay, we're gonna move on. So, wow, sorry for the distraction. Some interesting activity outside, that's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so Mr. Clean, I've never seen the drain sticks by this brand. Dollar Tree has obviously another kind. I don't know if it's a Dollar Tree brand or not. I never paid attention to the back, but this is Mr. Clean, and you get 2. Okay, in here I picked up this Lysol Bowl Fresh Clean. It's probably a better value for your dollar to go to Walmart and get a bigger jug, but there's something about keeping smaller versions of cleaning supplies. I just feel like I don't go through some of the cleaning supplies that often and then I have to like replace it. So I just prefer smaller ones. I don't know if that makes any sense. This is, I think, looks like a lavender. Yeah, that's lavender, clean and fresh, kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. and Lysol brand, so that for $1. I picked up this, it's not even like terracotta or like, what do they call this stuff? Ceramic? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what this is actually kind of called, like the material that I'm thinking of, but this is obviously plastic. So, but I got one of these little, in the spring section, you can like pot plants in here, all kinds of things. Stay tuned, I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. I picked up new stuff, so this is new. You'll probably end up seeing this in a what's new coming up. So this is a frizz control salon selectives, and you leave it in your hair. So that's great. I love leave-ins, and it's smoothing. It has argan oil. It's from Morocco. What does it say? From Morocco. So it says that. Does Morocco have like the up and up on argan oil? Is that why it's Moroccan argan oil? There's just no other place in the world for it? I don't know, I'm just curious. Sorry if that's a dumb question. And then here's, again, argan oil, but nothing that says Moroccan or Morocco on it. It is a hask, which means it's a hair mask. This is amazing for $1, you guys. This is actually sold at like Walmart and Target and things like that, and they retail for well over $1. I picked up some tape. If you follow my vlogs, then you'll end up seeing a vlog really soon on why I picked up this tape. It's for like my writing style. I turned a notebook into kind of like my organizing board and my structure for writing. So you'll end up seeing how I use this. I picked up some dot labels in white. Again, these are great for planners to cover things up, mistakes, for bullet journaling. You can obviously use it to organize things, label things, garage sale. Obviously lots of things you can do. You can even use it in your planner spreads if you want to do like a polka dot theme. You can color your own polka dots, or you can use them like white. You can turn these into like bubbles and like draw a little like, you know, bubble thing. So all kinds of different ways you could use those. Here are these cute little bracelets. These are gonna be for DIY. I don't think I've ever seen this before, so this may be a brand new Valentine's Day product this year. I picked up the heart-shaped basket. So you would have seen this in my Shop With Me planner supplies. So this is basically the haul from that video, by the way. And I really liked this cute little basket, and you get 2 for $1. That's actually kind of surprising. I picked up these napkin holders. I picked up 3. I'm gonna do a DIY on my vlog channel with these. And I picked up some new binders. I feel like these colors are new. I'm really surprised that Jot has come back out with these smaller A5 style binders. When I first saw them, I thought, oh my god, this is gonna be like a one-time thing. And no, they've put it out again and again. And this green is really interesting. I've never seen a binder that color. And then here's this blue. Again, in the planner video, so I'll link it at the end for you, you'll see there's a bunch of other different colors. You see the 3 rings and then the pocket folder. I've been trying not to buy Valentine's Day candy until February, but I saw these tiger pops and I had to get them. They're so adorable and they are just hearts. But right, we got some gloves for cleaning. We got some sponges. I use these. I use one every 2 weeks. Once 2 weeks is over, I throw it away. But in that 2-week time frame, I throw them and nuke them in the microwave for about a minute, and it disinfects them completely. But after 2 weeks, it starts to just wear the green part, just you can't bring it back. So 1 pack lasts me a month, but I also need some more for like specific for bathroom and then for kitchen and things like that. Oh, I got another Salon Selectives. This one is an instant repair. It's also a leave-in conditioner, and it's Brazilian keratin oil, hydrates and shines. So I can't wait to use this. If you have used this, let us all know what your thoughts are. And look at this one. This is a curly tight curl enhancer. So I'm really intrigued by this. My hair is naturally wavy / curly, and so for the days that I don't want to blow dry it and I don't want to apply heat to it, I thought that I could add this and then maybe see how it enhances my curls, because when I leave it to air dry, they curl up because I obviously have curly hair like I just mentioned, but it's also really frizzy and not cute. So this is free of alcohol, parabens, sulfates, and dyes. So that is really intriguing. I think for $1 already, that sounds like too good to be true. So that's a new product. Also, I picked up a satin pillowcase. I think pillowcases have been at Dollar Tree for quite some time, but I picked up a white one because I've always known this little fact, but I have only thought about it recently. But they say, and I don't know how true this is, they say that a satin pillowcase helps reduce wrinkles, because when you are sleeping on a different type of pillowcase, polyester or cotton or whatever, when it wrinkles, it can impress those wrinkles on your face and cause wrinkles. And satin, I heard, is supposed to not do that because it's so smooth on your skin. So comment and let me know if that's right, if you've heard the same thing or what. But you get, how many? You get one pillowcase only. Then there are some wood beads. These are brand new. I haven't seen these. So a lot of DIY potential here. The colors are very springtime. And then as you can see, 2 different shapes. Got these card stands. Like, what? In the teaching tree section. And look, 2 different sizes. You get 2 here, 3 here. And then this is what it would look like. It definitely looks like you have, you can slide your card in so that you have like this hard plastic surface in front of it, protecting your card. Very cool. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna use these from like a planner or craft room perspective or some sort of DIY. All right guys, they have new tissue paper out at Dollar Tree. I'm so freaking excited. I honestly did not think that this day would come. I feel like for quite some time, they've had the same kind of tissue paper for off season, in season. Sometimes I've seen new here and there, but they literally just slammed us with an entire new line of tissue paper. What? So look how beautiful this one is. It's kind of like a peacock theme. I love this navy. This navy is really hard to find at Dollar Tree, so I'm loving this color. Here is a superhero comic book theme, which is so fun. They chose red, which is a perfect color to choose. I think if they went with red, yellow, or blue like the primary colors, they would have been just right. So I love red. And then here is this cute little unicorn one, and it came with white solid, and then you can see the unicorns. Here is this really fun one, just fun rainbows and with yellow. I love that so far each solid color has been different throughout the collection. So, you know, the comic book had red, this could have had red, but they went with yellow. So I'm loving that we're still getting a variety of the solid color, and I got doubles of this one because I'm just obsessed. Look how freaking cute this is. I need to find a way to use this in like my planner stuff, but I also got it, you know, for like my niece. I bring her gifts all the time for no reason, and I still like to package it in a really cute, fun way. Let's get into some books next. Dollar Tree has been really exciting to look into the book section, and they did not disappoint again. You guys, you're gonna flip out. Look at this one, Southern Living, which is not related to Dollar Tree. I mean, once upon a time, this book was $25, $24.95. Like, what? So Southern Living, country music's greatest eats, recipes and riffs from country's biggest stars. Here is this one, Fine Cooking in Season, your guide to choosing and preparing the season's best. The book alone is just stunning. It was originally $22.95. Pick it up at Dollar Tree for $1 single damn dollar. What am I supposed to say? Like, what? I don't even, what is happening? Okay, So here is this one, Fine Cooking, which is a roasting. I don't roast, so I think that I'm gonna try to really get into this a little bit. But yeah, this book is really beautiful as well. So many recipes, and again, I've mentioned this before, but I love a recipe book with pictures. I'm not a fan of the ones that don't have it. I'm sorry, but I am not a Julia Childs. Like, I need to see the photo. Now we're coming down to the last things. I'm rushing because my camera is trying to die on me, so there's a good chance we're not gonna make it through all of this. So, new sticker books at Dollar Tree. Here is this little pineapple, and then the first sheet is kind of like a puffy bubble. It's kind of hard to see it, but look how pretty that is. What? Are you just, I love this little scene. It really reminds me like of something that would be vintage on an 80s shirt. So you know I'm gonna love that. Here is this one, which kind of has like a glitter sheet. And then here's a foil one. Oh my gosh, this is just stunning. Why did I not get 2 of these? Okay, I'm going back and getting a second one. And then the last one is glossy. Yeah. What? It's obviously all the same stickers, but different like materials. So puffy stickers, glitter stickers, foil, and glossy. And the same thing with this variation. So you're gonna get the puffy stickers, but obviously they're different. Although there are flamingos in this one as well, but you can see the color scheme is different. Here's the glitter sheet. Wow, the foil sheet is beautiful. Love it. And then here is the glossy. Ooh, I love, 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 love. I need doubles of this one too. All right, and the last time that you guys saw me haul, if you watch my videos, then you know what I'm talking about. I hauled these, and I had to go back and get more. After organizing my sticker collection, which I did on my vlog channel, I'll link it at the end for you, but I organized them, and when I looked at these, I was like, I have to get more. I have to secure more, because sometimes you just never know at Dollar Tree. So I got 2 more of those. Plus, when I went back, I found some new ones that I didn't see the first time around. Here is a happy birthday one. What? Look how beautiful. And the last sheet is always an alpha set. And so I got 2 of those. And then I got 3 of these. I mean, triple. I mean, I was just over the moon. But this is a trip theme. What? I love, love, love this one. Here are the sticker letters, color. And again, I'm gonna show you some new stickers. I'm really excited for these. They're really adorable. Jot brand line. But I'm also super intrigued by Jot's packaging on this one because it's very different from what they've done. But as you can see, they put a little icon here to show like fold to stand up. So these are fold to stand up stickers. That is crazy. I didn't even really notice that until now. So this is a little robot theme. What? Love that. So I got 1 of those. And then I got doubles of these horses or unicorns, and they are also fold to stand up. And then this one I got doubles of. It's a little summer vacay. I love it. I love the sand. I love the color of everything. Whew, you guys, I just rushed through that even though this timer has been on for quite some time. It's a really long haul today, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Loxy says hello. She's over there sleeping, but also halfway paying attention. Guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.